In today's episode, I'm going to show you 6 ways to prevent losing track of your time. Rising to be, with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/risingtobe or become a channel member for exclusive videos and more. Visit risingtobe.com for all your planner and stationery needs. Only at risingtobe.com, helping you plan for what's to come. In today's episode, I'm going to show you 6 ways to prevent losing track of time in your busy life. Why does time always play hide and seek with us? Ever missed a big meeting or a deadline and blamed it on the mysterious time vortex? You're not alone. Studies say 82% of people don't even have a time management system, which basically turns their to-do list into chaotic treasure maps with no X marking the spot. That chaos leads to more stress, less productivity, and a whole lot of wait, how did it even get so late moments. But hey, mastering time management isn't some impossible quest locked behind a secret boss fight. With a few smart strategies, you can finally wrangle your schedule, crush your goals, and stop letting your day run away like a squirrel on espresso. So why do we lose time so easily? Well, distractions are like little ninjas. Those endless app notifications keep popping up to steal your focus and drag you into a rabbit hole of memes or even mystery TikTok videos. Then there's the classic, I swear this task will only take 10 minutes trap that turns into hours thanks to surprise curveballs and unexpected can you just moments. And if you don't have clear goals, you might as well be wandering a grocery store without a list, grabbing snacks that won't fill you up, aka busy work, that doesn't move you forward. Plus, if you're neurodivergent, that whole time perception thing gets extra tricky. Time can feel like a slippery eel, making it hard to estimate how long things take or keep your focus laser sharp. But don't worry, recognizing these sneaky time bandits is the first step to taking back control and kicking productivity into gear. Tip 1, regularly review progress. Check your map so you don't get lost on the productivity highway. Imagine cruising down the highway without ever glancing at your GPS. You'd probably end up somewhere, but maybe not exactly where you planned. That's why regularly checking your progress is definitely a must. If you're using tools like ClickUp to break down your goals into bite-sized pieces, you're already halfway into being a productivity wizard. Sure, bumps in the road happen, hello distractions, but taking a moment to see how far you've come keeps you laser focused and on track to deliver top-notch work. Plus, if you're tracking time for billing or even performance reviews, this little habit means you'll never have to guess where your hours disappeared because you'll have the receipts all ready to go. Tip 2, use time management tools. Let's face it, guessing where your time disappears to is like trying to find your keys in a messy room, frustrating and mostly hopeless. That's where time management tools swoop in like superheroes. Digital calendars, task managers, and time tracking apps aren't just fancy gadgets. They're your personal time detective showing you exactly where your hours snuck off to. These handy helpers keep you organized with friendly reminders. They cut down distractions and make sure you're not accidentally spending 3 hours on cat videos when you actually meant to write that report. By seeing your day laid out in neat little blocks, you can tweak your schedule, crush your goals, and finally kick that where did the time go mystery to the curb. Tip 3, utilize reminder systems. Your personal don't forget cheerleader. Let's be real here. Even the best of us need a little nagging sometimes. Reminder systems are like that reliable friend who won't let you totally blank on deadlines, meetings, or that big thing you promise yourself you do. They keep your brain from turning into a sinkhole and your to-do list from becoming a tragedy. Here's the trick. Set up your reminders for your must-dos. Use recurring nudges for the routine stuff and customize those alerts so they pop up exactly when you need them to, because random ding sounds are so fun. Don't forget to tweak them as your goals shift. Reminder systems should flex with your life and not fight it. Bonus, there's a whole buffet of apps out there, from fancy to free, so find one that feels like your productivity soulmate. Tip 4, set clear goals and priorities. Your daily GPS for getting stuff done. Starting your day without clear goals is like setting off on a road trip with no map. You might end up somewhere, but who knows where or even when. But pinpointing exactly what you want to tackle, you're basically creating a personal GPS that keeps you on track and stops distractions from hijacking all of your time. It's the secret sauce to turning chaos into heck yeah, I got this. Here's the game plan. First, jot down what you want to conquer today. Whether it's knocking out work tasks, running errands, or even chipping away at that big project. Then chop that big goal into bite-sized tasks so you can celebrate small wins instead of losing your mind over the big picture. Finally, play the priority game. Rank your tasks by importance and deadlines, so you're always focusing on the heavy hitters first, making your day feel like a productivity power move. Tip 5. Automate routine tasks. Let the robots do the boring stuff. Why waste your brain power on the same old repetitive tasks when you can automate them and save your energy for the fun stuff? Setting up automation is kind of like hiring a super efficient robot assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and never spills coffee on any of your reports. This magic frees up your time, cuts down on human oopsies, and keeps everyone in the loop without you having to chase people down for updates. More productivity, fewer headaches. Sounds like a win-win. Tip 6. Implement time blocking techniques. Because your day needs its own calendar party. Think of time blocking like throwing a theme party for your day, where each task gets its own VIP time slot. Instead of winging it and hopping between random tasks like a distracted squirrel, you're carving out neat little chunks of solo work, team chats, meetings, and even guilt-free breaks. It's like giving your day a schedule that actually makes sense. Seeing your tasks lined up like guests at a well-planned party keeps you accountable and helps you shoo away distractions like an over-enthusiastic party crasher. With this roadmap in hand, you'll boost focus, get way more done, and finally stop feeling like your to-do list is throwing a wild rave that you didn't RSVP to. So let's do a quick recap just in case you missed a tip on the list. Tip 1, regularly review progress. Tip 2, use time management tools. Tip 3, utilize reminder systems. Tip 4, set clear goals and priorities. Tip 5, automate routine tasks. Tip 6, implement time blocking techniques. Alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. Helen Keller. Regaining control over your time doesn't have to feel like you're trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. The first step, set clear goals so you actually know what you're working toward, because wandering around without a target is like throwing darts in the dark. Once you have your goals, do your best to kick distractions to the curb. Whether it's those sneaky notifications, the endless scroll of social media, or even your own wandering brain, minimizing distractions is like putting a do not disturb sign for your focus. Next up, prioritize your tasks like you're the CEO of your life incorporated. Not every task deserves your equal attention. Not every task deserves equal attention. Some are the VIPs that need your immediate love and energy, while others can wait in the lobby. By ranking what truly matters, you'll spend less time spinning your wheels and more time checking off accomplishments. And here's the best part. These small, simple adjustments can add up to huge improvements in your focus, productivity, and overall sanity. So go ahead, take the reins, make those tweaks, and watch your day transform from chaotic mess to smooth operator. I just want to take a quick moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/risingtobee or become a channel member today. Thanks again for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or in your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode.